Today, we're tackling a frustrating problem that's more common than you might think. Cloudflare Error 522, also known as connection timed out, if you've ever seen this error on your website. You know how disruptive it can be, both for you and your visitors. By the end of this video, you'll have practical steps to fix Error 522 for good and get your site back online smoothly and reliably. Let's jump right in. Error 522 basically means that Cloudflare tried to act as the messenger between your users and your web server, but your server just isn't picking up the phone in time. This usually comes down to a communication block or an overwhelmed origin server. So we're going to work through this one step at a time. First up, it's vital to whitelist Cloudflare's IP addresses on your server. This is by far the most frequent culprit behind Error 522, here SY. Cloudflare acts like a security guard at your website's entrance. But if your actual server thinks Cloudflare itself looks suspicious, it might slam the door in its face. That's when connections get blocked and visitors see that dreaded error page. To prevent this, you need to make sure every single Cloudflare IP range is allowed through on whatever firewall your server is running. Maybe that's IPtables. Maybe UFW, or sometimes security plugins inside your content management system. Don't overlook these automated systems. They're often updated with aggressive settings to block what they think are bad bots. Cloudflare can sometimes get caught in the crossfire. Take a moment to cross-reference the latest list of Cloudflare IP addresses. These do change over time. So always use the current list from Cloudflare's official website. Double-check that all of these are explicitly whitelisted, not just added to an allow all block, because precision matters here. And while you're at it, look for any security modules like mod security, or even bot filtering plugins that might be inadvertently flagging Cloudflare as suspicious. It's not uncommon for a well-meaning security rule to start blocking legitimate traffic, especially after recent updates. Now on to the next step, checking your origin server's health. Even if your firewall is perfect, if your server is offline or totally bogged down, it will simply fail to answer Cloudflare's request in time, sort of like calling someone whose phone is on Do Not Disturb. First, let's actually verify your server is reachable from around the world. Tools like Uptrends are fantastic for this. Think of them as mystery shoppers trying to access your site from different global locations. If Uptrends reports that your server isn't reachable, the problem's on your host's end, not with Cloudflare. Next, log into your hosting dashboard. It could be Hostinger, cPanel, Plesk, whatever your provider offers. Check your CPU and RAM usage stats. Pay special attention to recent spikes. If usage is consistently above 80%, your server might be overwhelmed, which slows down response times and triggers timeouts. You might notice that, for example, after a traffic surge or if a heavy plugin is running, your site crawls or even goes down. That brings us to a crucial part, optimization. Disable or remove any plugins you don't absolutely need, especially those known for being resource hogs. Sometimes it's one bloated script or a runaway process causing the slowdown. Think of it like cleaning out a cluttered garage. Get rid of what you don't need so everything runs smoother. Give your server a few minutes after making these changes and then test your website again. If you followed these steps, you should see the error 522 vanish and your site load up properly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. If you still have questions or something isn't working as expected, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck fixing error 522.